All right, what's going on, everybody? Josh Pocock here, founder and CEO of Executive Stride. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick video of a tool called Digno. Digno, every employee, every action, every effort, one score. Digno is an advanced platform that provides agile management, tasks, goals, and rewards within an organization, a one-stop shop solution for employee performance evaluations. All right, so let's get right into it. All right, so here is the Digno website. You can see here Dignology, a revolutionary platform that captures every aspect of day-to-day operations within an organization for each employee and introduces a universal scoring system to encourage visibility, transparency, productivity, and community. So pretty cool stuff. That you can use this tool to kind of track team KPIs, kind of like, act as like a leaderboard. So this is something that good because it's a cloud-based app, has a good user interface, UI and experience. So it's a little bit, it's different than just using like a spreadsheet and creating, even like we have some advanced spreadsheets that are very like have custom code, have all these formulas, whatever, automate kind of automations as well. And this is something, honestly, I've been looking for a while, like just on and off. It's not been a pressing thing. I don't know 100% yet if Digno is going to completely take the role of, like if it completely fill all the gaps for us, for what we're looking for. We like use the use case I would be mainly looking for is we have like a team of sales development reps as well as sales reps, and tracking KPIs and leaderboards is a big part of, motivating reps, holding them accountable, etc. So this is kind of what we're, this is what kind of drew me into this tool. You can see here, it integrates with a lot of other tools such as Shopify, Deputy, Klaviyo, Asana, RingCentral, Jira, Shopify. All right, just some blogs and case studies, app integrations, help center, features. So if we go to features, we can see here we got streamlined employee evaluation, so goals, productivity, engagement, tenure, ethics, consistency. We got motivational reward system, so goal, target, accomplishment, activity indicators, behavior attributes mapped through AI. So that's actually really cool. AI powered management, create tasks and manage employees' progress towards specific goals, all on one intuitive platform using a variety of extensive options provided, historical employee performance, daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly intervals, merge parallel activity and data, integrations. So here's a few integrations: Asana, Gusto, Shopify. All right, detailed reporting and analytics, individual employee data, department analytics, organization analytics, industry trends, holistic overview. All right, so a lot of good data. Data is super key when you're making, if you're the CEO of a business, you need to be making key data-driven decisions, right? You can't just be making decisions off a whim or off a feeling or emotion. You actually have to look at the data and be able to see what is the best way and to attack the market, to invest back into the business, how where should you invest money, where should you all these different things, where are the bottlenecks in the business. So data is super key, especially if you are the CEO and you run your own business. So how does Digno work? So let's see. In action, impactful specific departments or structure an entire organization. Digno measures employee values based on categorized area performance. So build your company profile, import pertinent employee data. So you can import it through Gusto, even CSV files and a few others, and then integrate all relevant applications and software. So it doesn't have all the integrations that I would like to see. Like, we don't use a lot of these tools. We use some of them. We've used a lot of them, but they're not our main tools that we use. Department configuration, number of departments need to be created with a certain number of team members, and show up score. So attendance score, implementation guidance, so that the only impact felt on the business is an instant increase in efficiency and productivity. Okay. So yeah, if we check out the pricing here, we'll see we have 3 main plans. There is a free plan. There's a grow plan, and that is $7 per month per user. All right. But the minimal amount of users, I believe, is for 29, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's what it seems to be. Yeah, max 50 users, free 5 users, and then 5 goals per user, unlimited rewards, unlimited app integrations. So with the free plan, you get 3 app integrations, 0 rewards, 5 goals per user, 5 users max, 5 free users, 4 departments. And then the expand plan at $9 per month per user, at aka $59 per month. You get unlimited departments, unlimited users, 5 free users, unlimited goals per user, rewards, app integrations, and then there's a bunch of other stuff here. We're not going to dive into that. And then the monthly plan, you do get a 20% discount off the plans. But there actually is a lifetime deal right now on Appsumo. So this is actually how I found this tool. Appsumo is a great marketplace to find tools. If you're not familiar with it, you can definitely check it out. There's a bunch of tools I've done reviews on this channel. Also, too, if you're going to be buying a lot of tools on Appsumo, I recommend Appsumo Plus because you get a 10% discount off of every single thing you buy on Appsumo, and it's only $100 a year. So if you're spending $1,000 on Appsumo, it pays for itself afterwards, right? So I'll leave a link for that if you want to get Appsumo Plus. But here is the lifetime deal. If you're watching this, you can check the link below and see if it's still available. But it did just list on Appsumo. So you can see here, you actually get a much better plan at a cheaper price. So it's only $50 or $49, basically $50. You get 25 users, and then you get employee scoring, task management, goal management, or OKR, rewards, portfolio management, employee habit tracking, really cool stuff, unlimited departments, key performance reports and dashboards. And there only currently is 1 review because it literally just listed, but it is a 5-star review, so that's good to see. You can see here, I needed something like this for 15 people at my company, just purchased it. Like, did they have OKRs, objections, or ops, okay. And then best for C-suite, remote managers or project managers, remote teams, alternative to 15.5 integrations. They even have custom API, which is cool. Okay, so that is the deal. Pretty cool stuff. The only thing I'd say is I wish you could stack this deal because, you know, you can reach that 25 user limit, you know, potentially quickly, depending on how big your team is or how much you're growing, how fast you're growing. So that's the one thing I would say. But here we go. You know, if I really end up liking this tool, I'll definitely probably get different codes. Maybe, I don't know if that work, or if I really have to, I'll just hop on a monthly plan. But, you know, I will have to see with this tool. So here is what the tool looks like. Here's an example of a dashboard. All right, this is just a sample dashboard. All right, but you can see here a few different metrics that it's tracking, how it's set up. We have an overview of the users, the departments, the portfolios, the apps integrated, the rewards, health score, overall organization's health. So tasks, goals, apps usage, health, or sorry, length, consistency. And then we have a grading score here of poor, fair, good, pro. Right now we're looking at good. So kind of like a credit score for your company. And then leaderboard, so we can check manager leaderboard and employee leaderboard. So this is actually really, really cool because, you know, I mean, it's pretty obvious why it's cool. You can track both of those. It's not a bunch of, you know, people's, you know, all together. You can filter by employees and managers. So I really like that. And then here you can toggle between your departments and see on an individual basis the task, goals, app usage, length, consistency, and the health score of those departments. So really cool stuff. You have your sales, your human resources, your operations, your marketing, your, you know, all that stuff, right? You can see your departments here. So say human resources, sales, marketing, operations. You can see the score for the week, today, the month, or custom. All right. Then you scroll down, you have your portfolio. So you can build out these little portfolios here, which are kind of like a, you know, where you can see specific things of data. I'll show you that in a second, but we can filter right here through portfolio 1, portfolio 2, portfolio 3, and of course we have the time filters up here. All right, up here you'll see your onboarding, right? And then you'll see your notifications here, users. So this is where you would go and add your users. So you can invite your users like so. You invite, start, full name, company or email address, department, destination, join date, and then Shopify staff ID, which is optional. All right, portfolio. So this is where, like I said, you can go here, create a portfolio, select departments, employees, start date, end date, you know, leave a comment here, allow employees to view each other's score within this portfolio, add reward to this portfolio. So we can just go ahead, test, department sales, no employees, and create, okay, I guess. Okay, well, we would have to add an employee. So I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now, but that's where you would create a portfolio. Goals, important. So where you would go ahead and create your goals. So you can create, you know, 100K in new business, right? And you could say start date, which is, we could do today, and then the end date could be a month from now, right? Or a couple weeks, whatever. Like so. You could add a description. You could add your rewards type. So commission, fixed value, bonus. Now, these goals, lots of the times you're going to want to be setting them for your employees or your managers, right? These are kind of like incentives. And then you can, you know, have that. And then you can add, this is really cool, you can select KPIs. So you can select app, so number of tasks need to done, number of tasks need to created, responsiveness. So if you're using these apps, this is like probably a really good tool for you. The thing is, that's the one thing about this tool is like we've used Ring Central, we've used Asana, we've used Klaviyo, haven't used Deputy, we've used obviously Shopify, and we've used Jira, but we never actually, you know, use it as a company. But you know, they don't really have the tools here that we typically use. So that's one thing. Like these KPIs aren't, you know, really applicable for us because we're not really using those tools, right? Tasks. So here you can see tasks for your apps, right? So like I said, you know, it really benefits if you're using those apps. If you're not using those apps, then it may not work. It may not be the best tool for you. Rewards, eligible employees, reward types. So you can see commission, fixed value. You can add the valid departments, bonuses, plans and pricing, and then reports. So this is where you can see your departments, your employee score, your user management. We have overall score, users, departments, portfolios, apps integrated, total goals, rewards, high department, so sales, and then settings. So that's pretty much it. I just want to give you an overview of this tool, guys. Do I think that, you know, we'll be using this? We'll be testing it out and seeing on a small scale. The whole thing with me is if they continue improving upon it, maybe add a few other integrations with other apps that we're using, or if there's more of a way to have custom built KPIs, that's going to be a lot more, you know, feasible for us, right? Other than that, though, I like what they're doing. I like this concept. I was looking for a tool like this, like a leaderboard, you know, tool like this, a dashboard for a while. We were even kind of started building our own. We were thinking about building our own. It's just, you know, right, and then we kind of just we're focused right now. We're still using a lot of those, spreadsheets and stuff, and it works fine. But something like this, if they keep improving, I think that it could be good for us to definitely take a look at. I just wanted to let you guys know as well, because this is something that we're looking for. This is something that could be beneficial for your business, especially if you're using those tools, I'd say. But other than that, I mean, it's really only $50, so at the end of the day, you really can't go wrong. Plus, just like all these tools on Appsumo, if you don't already know, there is a 60-day money back guarantee, so you really have nothing to lose. You can just refund it, and you can get the money as either right back to your credit card or your debit card, or you can get it as an Appsumo credit to buy additional tools. Okay, so other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this video on Digno. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you like this type of content, make sure to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications, because we upload videos very, very frequently every single day. We've been doing it for the last like 6-7 months now. So also too, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to join the Stride community. I say this every video, but really great community. We're building it out. We're really there's a lot of big stuff in the works, guys, and I'm gonna be sharing a lot of stuff for free in the Stride community. And then also too, the Accelerate Your Stride challenge. I've been working on this for a while. So there are a lot of people on the wait list right now. You can join the wait list and get instant access once it drops. It's just for those people that have been on the wait list. I know I've been saying it's going to be dropping very, very soon. I'm working really hard on it. It's not just something out here that we're putting out as just like a little free lead generation tactic to try to get people to opt in to, it's like actually something we're trying to put a lot of value in. So if you want to get on the wait list for that, it's going to be 100% free. It's a 6-day challenge, show you how to add an additional 100K per month to your business. So all you do is go to accelerateyourstride.com. Link will be in the description as well. Just go here, opt in, and then you'll be notified via text and email once that actually drops. Other than that, guys, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and of course, guys, accelerate your stride. Take care.